Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Haggerty exercises with you. Let's start with rhyming. I'm going to say 3 words and I want you to repeat the 2 that rhyme. Lad, bed, had. Fed, lid, led. Hum, gut, some. Job, rub, knob. Luck, take, duck. Wag, beg, sag. Men, pan, pen. Lick, lock, pick. Fog, rug, hog. Rib, cab, fib. All right, now we're going to practice listening for beginning sounds. So I'm going to say 2 words. You're going to repeat the words, and if they begin with the same sound, then you give me a thumbs up. If they do not begin with the same sound, give me a thumbs down. Jam, jelly. Good job. King, kick. Light, leaf. Man, dog. Nun, nest. Pat, zip. Rise, tail. Sink, soak. Tick, tock. Wish, done. All right, get your choppers out. I'm going to chop the onset and rhyme. You're going to repeat it, and then we'll blend the word together. Um, hum, un, run, up, pup, us, bus, nut, nut, ep, pep, neck, neck, ed, wed, vet, vet, l, sell. Oh, that was the last one. Good job. All right, we're going to punch out our ending sounds now. Get ready. The word is class. Class. The word is feet. Feet. The word is give. Give. The word is locks. Locks. The word is sneeze. Sneeze. The word is robe. Robe. The word is load. Load. The word is roof. Roof. The word is fog. Fog. The word is snake. Snake. Nice job. All right. Now we are going to segment onset and rhyme. So get your choppers ready. We're going to say the word. I'll say it, you say it, and then we're going to chop the onset and rhyme. The word is sock, sock, job, job, rod, rod, pop, op, tot, tot, cub, ub, tuck, tuck, mud, mud, hug, ugh, gum, gum. All right, we are going to substitute beginning sounds. So get your fists ready. I'll say the word, you repeat it, and then we'll change our beginning sound to make a new word. The word is cuff. Change k to huff. The word is huff. Change h to p, puff. The word is puff. Change p to t, tough. The word is tough. Change t to k, cuff. Good. The word is less. Change l to g, guess. The word is guess. Change g to mess. The word is mess. Change to t, tess. The word is tess. Change t to l, less. Good job. Okay, now we're going to start with the rhyme and we're going to add the onset. So the word is ed. Add b to the beginning. Bed. The word is ed. Add f to the beginning. Fed. The word is ed. Add l to the beginning. Led. The word is ed. Add r to the beginning. Red. The word is ed. Add t to the beginning. Head. Good. Now we're going to delete the onset. So we'll start with the word and then we'll remove the beginning sound. The word is map. Without the word is app. The word is bit. Without b, the word is it. The word is fog. Without f, the word is og. The word is gut. Without g, the word is ut. The word is peg. Without p, the word is egg. All right, nice job today. Don't forget to practice your poem.